Hello, this is our presentation for Engineering Project 3, following our process of creating a lightweight cantilever beam capable of withstanding 5 pounds of force. We are Group 17. My name is Jonathan.
My name's Josue.
And my name is Tristan.
Design 1. For our initial design, we decided to go with a mostly solid beam on account that we originally underestimated the strength of the material. We followed the dimensions given and made small alterations. We went with horizontal slits spanning the length of the beam, inspired by H-beams and I-beams. So there were hollow spaces running through the beam to try and essentially reduce weight.
So for the first test, we had to attach a string wire hook in the hole at the end of the beam, and that hook would be dangling with 5 pounds, and it would just weigh down on the beam. And the whole point of this was to see if it could hold up that amount of weight, if it could hold more, or if it could hold less than that. Now, when we tested it, it easily held the 5 pounds, and it didn't receive any major damage, so it didn't crack, it didn't warp, it didn't bend in any significant way. And although we didn't maximize its full strength, we didn't test that out fully, we estimated that it could easily hold upwards of 3 to 4 times its weight, so 15 to 20 pounds. So we attributed this to the fact that it was pretty heavy for a beam, at least like out of what we used it for. It weighed about 10.8 grams or 10.3 grams, which was a lot heavier than we intended it to be. So just based on the fact that it could hold a lot more weight, we decided that we could definitely minimize how much it weighed while still retaining a lot of that strength.
So although our first design did work perfectly, we still wanted to have it with a lighter weight load while still being able to hold the targeted weight of 5 pounds. So we went with triangular cutouts similar to that of cranes. And we chose this because cranes in itself are essentially cantilever beams. And we saw that if it was able to work with those holding up way larger than 5 pounds, it would work for us. So by including these triangular cutouts in the cantilever beam, we were able to drop the weight load by a lot more while still being able to hold up the targeted weight of 5 pounds. Thank you.
And that is all. Thank you.